welcome back! It's me, Natalia, your humble and faithful servant in everything culinary-wise. And today we're going to utilize that stale bread of yours that you would probably throw away, but never again, because once you get to know this recipe, there is no turning back. You'll love it, I promise. Meanwhile, take a few seconds to subscribe to my channel. I'll wait. Okay, let's start. For this amazing recipe, we will need 3 cloves of garlic, 1 loaf of stale bread, 1 liter of almond milk unsweetened, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of Mediterranean herbs. As you can see, this recipe has very few ingredients, which makes it super easy to make. The original recipe has even less. It has only bread, milk, and salt. But I think that garlic and herbs add more flavor, more uniqueness to the recipe. You can also go ahead and use your choice of spices. Make it yours. Experiment. That's what cooking is all about. Meanwhile, that's what we're going to use. Cut your stale bread in pieces and soak it up in almond milk. While the milk is getting soaked, you can roast the garlic. Just cover it with foil and throw it in a preheated oven at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20-30 minutes. For those of you who are not quite familiar with roasted garlic, no fear. It transforms completely while being baked, and it loses its nasty smell and taste and kind of transforms into a sweeter version. So you can eat it and go right back to work, and no one will even notice that you just ate garlic. Speaking of which, I believe it's ready now. Let's take it out of the oven and peel. Well, we don't actually peel it here. We kind of squeeze it out as it became more like a puree, like this. As you can see, all our ingredients are ready now. All I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my magic blender and blend all these ingredients together. As easy as that. So here we are. Our sauce is basically ready. There is only one important thing left to do. We need to bring it to boil and maybe adjust consistency and seasoning. In fact, that's a golden rule in sauce making when using the blender. Always bring it back to boil after blending. The high temperatures will eliminate those microbes that might have been sitting in your blender. Just saying. Our amazing bread sauce is finally ready. You can use it with so many dishes: potato, fish, pasta, anything really. I prefer to have it with ravioli. So good. You see? Now your bread problem is solved. You'll never again throw away your stale bread. Remember my words. Okay, that's it, boys and girls. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. I truly appreciate that you chose me to tell you how to make this bread sauce. Really, thank you. I hope it will stick with you and you won't waste any more bread in your household. In fact, I think we should make it a mission of our channel: elimination of global bread waste. Oh wait! Before you go, subscribe to my channel.